Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. Today, I'm demonstrating how to cook a steak at home. So, I have a beautiful New York strip here. Strip loin, New York strip. It's a AAA product. So, we're gonna cook it now and I'm gonna tell you how the tenderness of it and so forth. All I have for this steak here to cook the steak is some salt and pepper because I want the integrity of the steak to stay. You could do a lot of magic to the steak here to take it to the next level, but this is to make the steak shine. So let's go to the stove now. Right, it's a big piece of steak here. So this is about 13-ounce steak, okay? 13-ounce steak. You flip it and you repeat. Now, I don't want to be rubbing the steak in like this here and packing it in, okay? The steak is wet enough for that. I don't want to do that. I just season it like that. You could see, right? Visually. Perfect. Now, before I put it in the pan, what I want to do is put a bit of olive oil on the steak. Okay? Olive oil on the steak. Rub the steak in like that. Turn it over and repeat. Okay? This is what you should get. Do not be intimidated by cooking a steak. I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? Easy, it's very easy. You have to go to a restaurant and I charge you 60 bucks. I told you I paid $12.75 for one of these steaks. And now I want to set it to $60 with a bit of mash. But you could do it in your house and spend only, call it 15 bucks. I could get a beautiful meal. Now, this was for about roughly 3 minutes. So we're going to crisscross the steak. I'm going to show you what I mean by crisscross it. So you see that? Right, so what I do, I turn it like this for another 3 minutes. So now, here we go. We're gonna turn this beautiful strip loin. Wow. So right now, it's still considered professionally blue rare. It's still moving. Some people will like it that way, fine. But me, I don't want to say I'm black, it doesn't make sense, but where I'm from, we gotta really get our blood going lower than it is, right? And what my daughter used to say, Daddy, I'm gonna tell you something. I'll tell you something. When you cook a beautiful steak at home, you could able to tolerate the medium rare, the medium, okay? You have to understand it. When you have a bad experience outside at a restaurant, now you don't want to do it, okay? Cooking from home is the best thing that ever happened to you. We are cooking a steak at medium high heat, okay? Medium high heat, okay? You see that? So, cooking, every individual should know to cook, not because they want a job from it, but it's a life lesson, okay? And it's a skill set that you will need to sustain your family or yourself. See the crisscross? What it does, you know why we do that professionally? It makes the steak look bigger also. That's why we do it professionally. You learn something now, right? Now, I'm just cooking out some of that fat, okay? Just on the side. Just sear it a bit, okay? Now, you can leave the steak in here for another, I would say 10 minutes. So this one here is considered rare inside. So, then you go here, and this is considered medium rare. Okay? Then you move to the other finger. When you feel it, you're going to feel the tightness here. This is called a medium. So you can get a sense of it, so when you touch your steak, you know what. And when you go to here, it's a medium well. So you look at medium well to well done, okay? Trust me, just a little practice, and it works. Because if you don't have a thermometer, that's your best instinct to use. What's better than a touch? That's why your fingers, you have fingers for a reason, okay? Now, 10 minutes is up. And you see the crustation on that? Beautiful. So this steak here is about medium right now, okay? So it's right, so we're gonna take it out. Put it on your plate. Okay. Steaks, you have to rest the steak for at least, I would say, about 8 minutes, okay? 8 to 10 minutes, okay? And then it's ready to serve. What it does is let that juice that's coming out resettle back into the steak. It's a serious steak, and I have a serious knife. Look, serious steak knife, okay? When you go to a restaurant or you're gonna eat a steak, don't start eating steak from the edge like that, The best part of that is to cut the steak right in half, okay? So let's go. So let's see. Yep. As we say back home, good to go. All right. Now, this, oh, don't cut this off and throw it out. That's flavor. Okay. But you see the crustiness on this. So now, I'm going to try a piece of the steak. Okay. So we're going to taste that. Let me describe it. So what I'm tasting the purity of this steak. And then I get a balance between the salt and pepper. I don't have all kind of stuff, okay? But thank you again for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you.